Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Jody with me. Her haircut is absolutely adorable, super fun, easy peasy. We're gonna go keep this a little longer, kind of blow it forward this way. We're gonna do the short and spiky here. You can see I've taken the number 4. I've already went around this and we're gonna go up. So it's just above the top of her ears. So you can see right up here, that's how far I go up with the number 4. Okay, and then up here on top, Jody is such a good friend, by the way. She is super fun. We laugh so much. Right, Joan?
Yes, we do.
It's the best. Okay, so you can see how short I'm going. She comes once a month to get her hair done. Today it's super fun. We colored it. I put some bleach. I weaved bleach in there and 4R and 5 double N all through the bottom area. So this top part, like I say, it's short, and then we'll just blend all of this back through, you know, this area. Up here, same thing, just doing it nice and short so she can just dry it, throw some stuff in it and go. I love it. Jody gets a lot of compliments on her hair, so it always makes me feel good. Okay, so you can see this is short. Now what we're gonna do in this top, because I said we're leaving this a little longer to dry it in. What we wanna do, I'll turn her this way. What we wanna do is not take a lot of that length, but we're gonna come from here. And this is the longest that's gonna fall down that way. So I'm just kind of cutting that towards the front, but not taking a ton of length off of this. Okay. Now the sides, I'm gonna take this up. Okay, now, this side I'm gonna take just a little bit, just point cut. You can tell, make sure you do this on an angle so that this, you know, is going to fall longer. So just be careful on the side where you're cutting, because you don't want to take the length off of that front, but yet you want it, you know, kind of textured through this area too. So just kind of play with that. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we are going to blend the sides. So you come in and then you hold out. And if you're just starting, I would do it this way. I would go straight up. If you've done it a while, you can do this. It takes more hair off at once. But if you're just starting out, just go vertical like this. Okay, so I'm just blending all this back. And she's loved it shaved. Like I said, it's a number 4. It's up the back. Then she doesn't have to deal with any of that. And it looks so darn good on her. I love the short.
It is a cleaner look.
Yes, it is a cleaner look for sure. And I love that. Everything's in place. It does. I'm glad you said that. It is. It's just a cleaner look. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to come on the side and clean that. And then we're going to come behind the ear. We're going to clean that up. I just want it really nice and clean. So here. Okay, and then her back. She's going to look down. I'm going to take this. Yeah, we went shorter one time on our ears, like right through here. And she come back and she's like, yeah, I think the shorter, let's do even shorter in back. Let's try the number 4. I'm like, okay. Well, it took us a second to decide what number we wanted, but yeah, 4 has been super fantastic. Because it's still, you still have hair, but so you don't feel like you're scalped, but it's so nice and clean. Okay. All right, now texture. Love texture. So does Jody. She's like, texture me up. Okay, you can see I'm just taking the shears through all of this top. And you can see too, like this over here, I didn't blend as much because we're going to leave this longer and dry it. Like leave a little bit of length here and dry this over. So that's why this is just a little, it's connected, but it's not real short right here because we want that length to make the style extra cute. Okay, texturizing. This is gonna go through like the top. So cute. Can't wait to try it. Such a fun look. Okay, now the mousse. Moxie Magnifying Mousse. This one's from Monet. Just gonna put this in. Rub it in real good. A little bit of volume and lift spray. Okay, sweet. Now, that's the cool thing. The back is done. You don't have to do anything, right? Isn't that the best? Okay, now I do want to show you this. So I'm drying from the side, a little bit down, back and forth with my fingers back here because we want this messy. But just kind of down in that front. Brush and kind of down because she wants that look. And then if we need a texture or blend anything after, then we can. Excited?
Yes.
It's crazy how, because sometimes with short hair, you feel like, oh, I have short hair. This is all I can do. But if you do little things like this, little changes, like we usually have all of our bangs down and then everything kind of spiky. Well, what we've changed it to is we're kind of leaving this front longer and down, and then we're going to spike back here. She has a little bit of natural curl and it's a little longer. Are you excited to try this? Mm-hmm. It'll be fun, right? Such a good little change. And it's not that we changed too much. Like I said, we left that front longer, and took the sides a little shorter. But oh man, it'll be cute. Okay, now I'm take the styling paste. Then bring this over this way. So this is going to be up and messy. Oh, so cute. It's so cute. Okay, and then we're just going to take this off to the side. What are you thinking? It's cute. You like? Mm-hmm. Perfect. Okay. Oh yeah, that's super cute. I like it. So yeah, the front, you can see it's just kind of more flattened to the side and then messy up top. Okay, now I'm just gonna spray, because who doesn't want spray, right? Gotta have the hairspray. All right, you guys, this is so cute. I'm just gonna turn her around. You can see I just started the color up through this area. And so it come down the side and then in the front. So that's what I would recommend too. When you color, know what haircut you're doing so you can place the color where you need it for the cut. So I was so glad she told me the cut before her color. So make sure you ask your client that, if they're changing it up or not. So anyway, you guys have a good day. I hope you enjoyed Jody's haircut. Thank you, Jody. You're amazing. And you guys have a good day. Thanks for your support. See ya.